Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. As today is Sunday, let's start our champion series. As you all know, I will be giving 5 questions here. For all the 5 questions, there will be 3 to 4 clues to guess the answer. Fine, let's start the questions. In the first, we need to guess the wind. First clue, it blows from Alps over France towards the Mediterranean Sea. Second clue, it is channelized through Rhine Valley. It is very cold and dry and with a high speed wind. Third clue, it is harmful wind and brings blizzards into southern France. Guess the answer. It is a local wind. Here the correct answer is Mistral. Next, here we need to guess the species. The first clue, recently a rare amphibian spotted in Pullad, Kerala. The amphibian is endemic to the rainforest of Western Ghats. Next clue, it has a slender body, webbed feet, unusual body positions and very well camouflaged. It has a high gliding abilities. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Malabar gliding frog. Next, here we need to guess the group of people who were present in medieval India. First clue, they were the nomadic tribe of India and were the vital supply chain for villages. They were the commercial nomads. Next clue, hundreds of years ago, they distributed salt and other essential items to interior villages with their roots in Rajasthan. Next clue, at present, they live in several states and were known by different names like Lambada or Lambadi in Andhra Pradesh, Lambani in Karnataka, Gwar in Rajasthan. Guess the answer. Here the correct answer is Banjara or Banjra. Next, here we need to guess an event regarding which is related to modern Indian history. The first clue is, when this event happened, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood as a protest. Second clue, Gandhi called it as a Himalayan blunder and returned the Kaiser-i-Hind gold medal given to him for his work during Boer War. I think this is the very easiest question. And the correct answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next, here we need to guess an particular schedule of Indian Constitution. First clue, under Article 244 of the Constitution contains provision regarding the administration of scheduled areas other than in Northeast India. Second clue, areas administered under this schedule must have a tribal advisory council consists of 20 members. Guess the answer. Here the biggest clue is, it is regarding the administration of scheduled areas other than in Northeast India. So guess the answer. Here the correct answer is 5th schedule of Indian Constitution. These are the questions for today. Do comment your score and answers in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.